Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video, we are going to see how Office 365 is different from the other available versions. As we have other versions like Office 2007, Office 2010, 13, 16, 19. In this video, we will see how it differs from other versions. Number one, Office 365 is online version. Office 365 is the only version available online, while other versions are available offline. Microsoft Office 365 is only accessible online, while other remaining versions like Office 2007, 13, 16, 19, these all versions are offline. You have to download and install on your PC. Number two, Office 365 is subscription based. It means Office 365 is subscription based. You have to pay annual fee, while other versions are available to purchase once to use for lifetime. You have to pay annually for Office 365. You have to purchase license for Office 365. But the other remaining versions you have to purchase once and use for lifetime. Number three, updated version. Office 365 is regularly updated by Microsoft. You have to purchase a new updated copy for the other offices. It means all the application included in Office 365 are always updated versions. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for the rest of videos.